today I'm gonna show you how we can prepare the homemade Nutella. It's so easy and delicious. So let's get started. First, we need the food processor to make our homemade Nutella. And by the way, all the ingredients are listed down in the description box if you want to give it a try. So first, let's start with the ingredients. Here I have 300 grams of roasted hazelnuts. They need about 5 minutes in the oven, and then it will be so easy to take off the skin. And here I have 200 grams of dark chocolate. By the way, you can use milk chocolate. It's up to you if you want to make it more sweetie, but I prefer the dark. It tastes so yummy and delicious. And also here I have 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. You can add more if you like, but 3 tablespoons will be enough. Here I have 2 tablespoons of hazelnut oil. You can use sunflower or canola oil if you like, but not extra virgin olive oil. And here I have 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to give it a nice and strong taste, nice color and strong taste. And we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so first what we're gonna make, we're going to do the hazelnuts, to mince them until we have butter, hazelnut butter, like peanut butter, and that will take like 2-3 minutes. Okay, so after we did this, look how the hazelnuts are so smooth. They need a little bit more, but it's okay. Look at the mixture. That's what we need. You can make it a bit more if you like. And then we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna add the cocoa powder, and also I'm gonna add the icing sugar, also the vanilla. You can use vanilla extra if you like, but that's what I have. Okay, so 1 teaspoon is enough. Now I'm going to mix them very good, and that will take like 2-3 minutes as well. Okay, so after we did this, now I'm going to add the chocolate. The chocolate should be chopped, and add the oil as well. And then now we're gonna give it the final mix, and that will take minimum 5 minutes to make the Nutella very smooth. Here we go. Look at this beautiful Nutella. This is the consistency that we need. Look at this. Oh my goodness, they taste so yummy, and it's super easy to prepare at home as well. Look at this beautiful Nutella. The color is super beautiful. That's why we use cocoa powder, to give it this nice color, and to give it this shiny color we need to add the oil. Now I'm gonna pour them in a jar, glass jar, and here I have a Nutella jar, but this is homemade, healthy and delicious and super easy. Kids will love it. Here we go, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, don't worry about if you seen it a little bit liquid. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and that will stay up to 1 month. Okay, and then later after 2 hours you're gonna see the Nutella is getting thicker a little bit, so it's not gonna stay like this liquidy. And this is my homemade Nutella. I hope you like it, and please keep it in the fridge, and it will stay up to 1 month if you like, but I'm sure now 2-3 days it's gonna be destroyed. And guys, please like the video and subscribe, and check out the recipe down in the description box. I hope you enjoy it, and I miss you all, by the way. A long time I didn't record it in English, so I miss you guys, and I miss your comments. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe food. Thanks for watching. Bye.